everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, I'm back again with the Mashelembe story update, as it was earlier reported that there would be two baby shower for Mashelembe. The bad news is that the first baby shower has been cancelled because of misunderstanding between the organizers, which is Mnakwethu and Mnakwethu. The first organizer is Mnakwethu, who recently released a statement to cancel the baby shower that was supposed to be on Sunday, the 26th of September 2021 in Durban. According to her, she contacted Mnakwethu Mashelembe on Wednesday morning, the day after Mnakwethu episode, and expressed her interest of bringing her to Durban for a pamper weekend. She specifically requested 24 to 26 September 2021 to Mashelembe, and Mashelembe agreed. Guys, on Friday, Mashelembe informed Mnakwethu that another baby shower was being planned, but reassured her she would be able to attend both a baby shower. So today, Mashelembe told her that she won't be available on Friday to Saturday because she will be attending the second blended baby shower. The organizers tried to reach a mutual agreement, but it didn't work as no one was willing to change her date or collaborate. Due to those misunderstandings, the first organizer had cancelled the 26th September baby shower, but she requested everyone who is willing to gift Mashelembe to drop their gift at 494 Lillian Nguli Road or Lillian Ngui Road, Morningside, Durban, and she will organize a transport that will take all the gift to Mashelembe Engutu. So guys, Mashelembe will only have one baby shower now. That will be at Richards Bay on the 25th of September, this coming Saturday. Guys, some people on social media are blaming Mashelembe for agreeing to attend both baby shower and change along the way. But guys, Mashelembe is under a lot of stress. She is going through a lot right now. Umoya phansi bandase. This is not about us after all, but it's about a woman who need our love and support. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.